Hi, I'm Torey Bookstein, and I will be sending you this video audition that I am filming in a freezing cold garage in Seattle, Washington. So thank you so much for accepting a video audition. It's really kind of you. I very much appreciate it. I will be performing Viola from 12th Night, If She Were in a Refrigerator. I left no ring with her. What means this? Lady! Fortune forbid. My outside hath not charmed her. She made good view of me, indeed, so much that as methought her eyes had lost her tongue, for she did speak in starts, distractedly. She loves me. Sure. The cunning of her passion invites me in this churlish messenger. None of my lord's ring, why he sent her none. I am the man. Oh, if it be so, if 'tis, poor lady, she had better love a dream. Oh. Disguise, I see thou art a wickedness, wherein the pregnant enemy does much. How easy is it for the proper false in women's waxen hearts to set their forms. Alas, our frailty is the cause, not we, for such as we are made of, such we be. How will this fetch? My master loves her dearly, and I, poor monster, fond as much on him, and she, mistaken, seems to dote on me. Oh, what will this become? As I am man, my state is desperate for my master's love. As I am woman, now alas the day, what thriftless sighs shall poor Olivia breathe? Oh, time, thou shalt untangle this, not I. It is too hard a knot for me to untie. Thank you.